everyone, this is a short tutorial on an AABA song form. So I took the tune Born to be Blue, which is an AABA form. The A section is 8 bars, and then it repeats, and it's 8 bars again. The difference is that the first ending gives us an open phrase ending with a half cadence, not resolving, and the final phrase resolves completely. Now, granted, this has some harmonic concepts that we have not covered yet and probably won't this semester, definitely won't, but you can still see the way the song is set up. Okay, and then it comes at the B section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a definite contrast between a lot of things in the melody and in the chord changes. It actually modulates to a different key, which is not something that you have to do, but you do have to go to the relative minor. Okay, so and then it goes back to the A section. You can see that these last 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars are pretty much identical to the second A, having a closed phrase, having the cadence resolve the end of the 8th bar. And then there's room for a little vamp at the end if you want to get fancy, but you need to have some kind of ending. So this tune has an ending. It vamps and it vamps. As I was born to be, 'cause I was born to be blue. And it repeats that, and then last time it goes, 'cause I was born to be blue. And that's the end. So I wouldn't want you ending it with a half cadence being on the 5 chord. That's not the ending then. Okay, so here's a template that I have posted. It's in Finale. It just happens to be in the same key as this, and it's a little clear. I set it up so that you can really see the phrases. So this is the A section, and you go through the first 8. Here's room for a pickup if you want to put your notes in there. You can also just print this out and write in it by hand. That's fine. And then the second ending, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what that is. I've got to get rid of that dash there. And then the B section. Oh, and I've got some floating. Oh, forgot about the coda sign. Oh, I see what that's right. So that's going to happen. I've got to change the position of that there. But the coda sign says that the last time you play through, instead of going to the ending, you go to the vamp section. And then it basically just has these 2 bars at the very end. You don't have to do the vamp section, but it's a nice idea. So I figured I'd throw it in there. So, wherever you want, I would say I'm probably going to have to put that coda sign here because I set this up differently. I set it up so you have 4-bar phrases so you can visually see what your music looks like. Sometimes that really helps in terms of forming a cohesive arrangement. Also seeing where you have different types of chord progression, where you have tonic chords, subdominant, dominant, where you might have minor chords. The B section is going to be in the relative minor though, so if we were in, let's say if we were in A flat major, then F minor would be the relative minor, and so on. So I'm going to tweak this up, but I hope this little tutorial helps. So A, A, B, A, and that's it. Okay.